I saw the spirit fighting of our players, and was a fantastic. First, I think today the pitch was very strong and the ball jumped too much. I think it's one thing that we can avoid. If we put water, we have better football for the two teams. I don't want to speak about the referee, but I must speak. Sorry, but I must speak. In this moment, I feel that the referee not respect Makassar. It's many games with many mistakes. Today I can give just Tiga for not speak with many mistakes. 13 minutes, number 15, Nicola, central back from Perdana, make danger foul over Everton, near of the box. Referee must give yellow card. Must give yellow card. I think they make the second yellow card that Zaki take, it's yellow card. It's the rules. But the first yellow card, 59 minutes, it's unbelievable. If the referee give this yellow card, the first yellow card that he give to Zaki, if he give, he must give 7 yellow cards more on the game, because it's unbelievable and it's unsuitable. It's very easy to give Kuning card to us. It's very easy to give Mera card to us. Minute 79, danger play from our side. Yasa take the ball, offensive transition. Number 80, catch the ball with the hand. This is card to Kuning and fall. Referee, what was it? Nobody saw. Unbelievable. Everybody have mistakes. Everybody have mistakes, and we must sometimes respect, but it's too much mistakes. Many games. See the two matches that we make against Bali, many mistakes against us. Many mistakes. The two matches that we make, first game, Persija, unbelievable. Unbelievable, the goal that they score. Always, the doctor is the referee now. Not stop the match. Unbelievable. The game against Dewa. How can it possible number 22 and the number 23 not be sent off? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And these too much mistakes. If we want to improve, if the referees want to have respect from our side, they must make the rules in the correct way. Please, who analyze the referees, please see our games. See our games, because just see the mistakes and after don't do nothing. It's very easy to show Mera card and card to Kuning to our staff, to our players, but I don't see nothing. I see the same referees make the same mistakes and nothing happen. I think the two teams, Perdana and Makassar, deserve better management from Wazit team. This is my opinion, for we can see a better football. Makassar today get more chances, get more opportunities, get more shoots to the goal, get more corners. I think the moment that we play with one less player, I saw the spirit fighting of our players, and was a fantastic winning away, because Perdana is good team, got good environment on the stadium also. Today was very hot to play football, and I think was a good that we take the 3 points today to Makassar. I want to wish to all the supporters that support us near of the hotel, and also the supporters that always try to support us. Terima kasih.
No. What do you think about this game? You have 3 points.
Yeah. First of all, very, very happy. Our first 3 points of the season, very important points. It's not easy for our team after have a season like last season. If Real Madrid become a champion, they can slow down the next season for 5%, and they have enough quality to still win. This is not the case in our team, and I think that everybody today really realized that we need to give everything to win our games. And I'm not saying that the last games we didn't want to do it or we didn't do it, but it's a human being, something natural, I think. So I'm very happy what I see today for all the players. We fight till the end. We get red card. We don't give up. We keep going. And in the end, I also think we deserve to win. Further on, I'm happy I don't have to speak about the referee now. I think we have. I had to go to the camera for best player today, but maybe they should put the referee in front of this camera as best player for today. Thank you.